While Intel did announce that the Arc desktop GPU lineup will be available by Q1 of 2022, they keep delaying the release as time goes on. Nevertheless, their entire GPU lineup has been leaked online, and according to them, we're looking at a handful of Arc GPUs that are expected to hit the shelves later this year. In this video, we will be going through the rumor pile surrounding the upcoming Intel Arc GPU to give you a hindsight of what to expect from it. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The initial lineup leaked from a post made by enthusiastic citizen stroke master over on the Chinese platform Bilibili. According to him, we can expect to see a total of 4 Arc GPU models: A770, A750, A580, and A380. We can also expect to see a much stronger variant, possibly titled A770, which might come with either an 8GB or 10GB model. It's reported to be equivalent to the NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti. 3060 Ti is already quite popular and a solid 1080p gaming card, and it'll be good to see a competing model from Intel's side for this card. The leaker also mentioned a 5th GPU titled A970 or something quite similar to it. There's a high possibility that this card might be the limited edition Arc GPU that Intel has teased earlier. Regardless of what lies ahead of us, it's getting quite annoying that Intel keeps pushing the release date of the desktop GPU further and further. The laptop models are already out in the wild and everyone is anticipating the desktop variants. And why won't we? A new competitor's entry in the already ongoing rivalry between Intel and AMD excites everyone. Nonetheless, we know quite little about the specs and performance of these upcoming Intel Arc GPU, so it's quite harder to compare. We'll be back again with more updates on the Intel Arc desktop GPU as soon as they hit the shelves. So, that was all about the upcoming Intel Arc GPU lineup. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.